Hello, everybody. You are welcome again to this channel or Solo English. Today I'm going to tackle writing, and writing is the concern of all examinees, I think. Writing concerns the BAC students, the university students, CLMF students, and so on. Anyway, at the end, I'm going to give examples for CLMF examiners who are going to sit for the exam. Writing, as you know, is a productive skill. There are four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Writing is a bit difficult because we know it needs training, it needs practice, and it needs time. Also, we need purpose to read. We cannot write without purpose. Purpose means when I have an argumentative paragraph, for example, I should use arguments to convince the reader, to convince someone else. Anyway, what are the principles, the main principles of a paragraph? Paragraph needs, usually before writing the paragraph, I must understand the topic. The topic should be understood. And then we pass to the principle. First one, so as it said, topic sentence is followed by controlling ideas, examples, linking words, question of accuracy, coherency is very important, and concluding sentence. I'm going to give examples of writing a paragraph through developing the topic sentence. I give you a topic sentence and we are going to discuss together how we develop it. So as I said, this is my paragraph. First one is topic sentence. Here it is a general sentence, global sentence, which I'm going to develop in this way. So it is followed by, this is my paragraph, I'm writing now paragraph. Here you are for stop. And here I should end my paragraph with concluding sentence. Concluding sentence. Concluding sentence is necessary and it is linked to the topic sentence. There is a link between them. Well, now I give you examples, real examples. This is my paragraph. In this paragraph, what do we notice? All ideas and all sentences are related to the topic sentence. In topic sentence, there is a key word that I am dissolving, that I am analyzing. So what is the problem of writing paragraph is how to find the topic sentence. That's the problem. So now let's practice. For example, studying abroad is advantages in many ways. This is an example. Well, let's study this topic sentence. Now, where is the topic? The topic is study abroad. And what are the controlling ideas I am going to write? They are here, advantages. So what are the advantages of studying abroad? I'm going to solve this word, advantages. I'm going to find all the advantages that are related to advantages, and I am going to write them here in a form of paragraph with linking words, with examples, and with concluding sentences. So this is an example of a topic sentence. Studying abroad is advantages in many ways. In fact, when we want to write, what is the difficulty is difficult to find a topic sentence. Let me give you second example. The manager is a good person. The manager is a good person. Full stop. So what do you notice? Look at the topic sentence. It's usually short sentence and it's a global sentence and it contains the key word, one key word. Here we have the manager. This is the person I'm going to write about, and good person. That two words. Good is very important. Why? Because I am going to explain in what way he is good. I'm going to say he's helpful. He's easygoing person. He doesn't make things difficult for people. He's treating people in good way. This is the development of good. Good, I'm going to analyze it. And here, of course, usually I give examples in my topic sentence. And then what is important in the paragraph, what is attractive for the reader is coherence and accuracy. Coherence, it means linking words, how to use linking words in my paragraph. And when you read it, you find it very good sentence. This is the topic number 2. And number 3, for example, if we have this, people can avoid road accidents. Road accidents by taking precautions. So in this topic sentence, it's a bit longer, but anyway, what is the topic here? Of course, road accidents. This is the topic. And you know, we have accidents in Morocco. We have a lot of accidents every day. So when I want to write a paragraph about a road accidents, here in the topic sentence we have precautions. So what am I going to analyze? Where is my paragraph? It is here in precautions. Precautions, what to do to pay attention in driving. For example, avoid speaking on the telephone. Check your conditions of your car. Safety belt, etc. So I'm going to seek for the element that makes me precautious when I am driving. This is what I'm going to write in this topic. This is number 3, and let's pass to number 4 to see just examples, various examples, how to develop. So, learning a language. Learning a language needs patience. This is the 4th topic. Learning a language needs patience. If I'm going to develop this paragraph, of course, what is the topic here? Topic is learning a language. It can be foreign language, it can be French, it can be English, it can be any language. Patience, needs patience. Well, patience, this is my key word that I'm going to develop here. So this is the plan, how to, once you find your topic sentence, you are going to find the key word and you solve the keywords in different ideas. Idea number 1, idea 2, idea 3, idea 4, idea 5, idea 6. When you put 6, 7 ideas in your paragraph in coherent way, of course, how to make it coherent by linking words. Moreover, however, furthermore, in addition, and so on. This is what makes your paragraph attractive. And patience, of course, I'm going, before writing, not just to take a paper and pen and you start to write randomly. No. Patience, I'm going to say how the learner needs patience. Of course, he needs patience. You know, it's difficult to learn language. So you need, for example, a lot of things. You need possibilities, money, and so on. You need to work hard, and so on and so on. Anyway, patience, it depends on your abilities to solve it. Okay, so this way of writing a paragraph, and of course we are talking about paragraph, not talking about essay, essay is made of 5 paragraphs. This is not our concern today. Today we are referring to paragraph because that's the paragraph that you are going to that you need to begin first. So let's pass to CRMEF students who are going to sit for an exam. Your writing will be completely different, I think. Why? Because it is linked to language, English language, and language learning, language teaching, and so on. The topic, it's not of our choice. We cannot write anything. But look at the example we have on the blackboard. There is conversation between Bob and Joe. Let's read the topic. Bob, I taught Snoopy to whistle. Joe, I can't hear him whistle. Bob said, I said that I had taught him, not that he had learned. The question is, what message does the conversation convey? So if we consider this conversation, what is the topic? What are we going to write? So let's analyze the conversation. So where are the key words in the conversation? I'd taught, learned. So whistle, it is an activity, and Snoopy, by the way, this is a dog, a small dog in caricature, and Snoopy, Bob taught Snoopy to whistle, and Joe is expecting Snoopy to whistle. It is impossible to whistle quickly on the spot. So he said, I said that I had taught him, not that he had learned. So what is the topic? Is the relationship between teaching and learning. When we teach something, we cannot expect the learner to be efficient, to be active learner, to be without taking long time for practice. If you remember the proverb, the famous proverb said by it is said by Chinese, in fact. The proverb is, tell me, I forget. Show me, I remember. Involve me, I learn. So this proverb shows that between between teaching and learning there is a process. There is practice. It doesn't take quick time to learn things. For example, like skills. We have skills in our life. For example, if this is a river, and I am here, and my friend is here. My friend wants to cross the river by swimming, and this person doesn't know to swim. And it told me, please, how can I come to you? I said, well, swim. And this person doesn't know to swim. Swimming is an activity that's not easy to do. Swimming needs practice. If I tell him, well, just jump and try to move your hands and your feet and you arrive to me, do you think he is going to do it? No, it's impossible because he needs practice, he needs to learn, he needs skills. This skill is not achieved yet. Also, when I give a bicycle to someone to ride a bicycle for the first time. So I give him bicycle, and this person doesn't know, of course, to ride a bicycle. And I say, okay, get on the bicycle and you can move. Do you think that he is going to ride quickly? No, because he is going to take time to learn this riding. So, of course, when we have an activity to do, just by practicing, it needs a long time. So what we are going to write here is how the teacher or teaching affects the learner. What are the steps? Let's pass to the second example, second topic. Look at the topic. Let's read. Old woman says, excuse me, could you read this letter for me? Young neighbor, okay, give me 5 minutes, I explain everything. So what are the implications of this exchange between a woman. Of course, we understand that the old woman is illiterate, and she brings letter to you, and she says, please read the letter for me. And so what is the topic here? The topic is read. So we are going to write a paragraph about reading. And when we write about reading, so what are the principles of teaching reading in the classroom? In fact, the topic here refers to older woman replaces teacher. It's the role of the teacher here. The teacher plays the role of monitor. He just gives guides to the students to read. And when we read, one mistakes we make in the classroom sometimes, you say, well, open your books, page 5, and read the text. It's not advisable to be done in the classroom. We shouldn't do it. Read the page 5, well, what's the purpose of reading? Why to read the text? So we should give a reason to read. This is very important. We should give a reason to read such a text. Here, the woman who plays the role of the teacher, she says, could you read this letter for me? And what is the answer? So the young neighbor, the learner, of course, the learner says, okay, give me 5 minutes. Giving time is very important for task to learn. Give me 5 minutes and I explain everything. Well, and here we talk about first reading, how we teach reading. Not in details. What are the main steps? The main point is reading, we have first search reading. Search reading. Search reading consists of scanning and skimming. Then we pass to responsive reading, to reflective reading. In this reading, steps of reading, so when he says, I explain everything, it means what message are we going to get from the text or from the reading. And here we have a negotiation between text, teacher, and students. So the text given here, which replaced the letter given by the woman, the text should be negotiated by the teacher, should be analyzed. The teacher should prepare it first. And when he prepares his text, he transfers the knowledge to the student. So this is the way of developing reading skills in students in the classroom. We are going to talk about how reading affects the learner abilities. How does he develop his skills through reading? And we are going to talk about how to teach reading in the future. I am going to talk about it, the steps of reading, reading, pre-reading, post-reading, and so on. So this is the example of today. I hope that you will take a benefit from this explanation, and you are welcome again. Subscribe to Solo English, and you are going to see other explanations and other videos soon. Thank you very much.